In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D Pixar Chibi model in Nano Banana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a simple photo to a cute, full-body chibi character with an oversized head all inside Google's Gemini interface using the Nano Banana image tool. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. This keeps things simple and ensures you're starting from a familiar place. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and hit enter. We're looking for the official Google Gemini page, which is where the image creation feature lives. Click the result that takes you to the Gemini app. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the chat and image creation options. Inside Gemini, look for the Create Image button. Clicking this activates Nano Banana, which is the tool that will handle the 3D style generation for you. If the interface looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry, just locate the image creation area and proceed. Next, click the plus sign to upload your reference image. Choose a clear, well-lit photo of the person you want to transform. Frontal or three-quarter angles work best, and a higher resolution image helps the model capture facial features and clothing details. As a best practice, only use images you have the right to use and avoid anything blurry or heavily filtered. Now it's time to write your prompt. In the prompt field, type, "Create a 3D Pixar Chibi cartoon style full body shot of the person from the uploaded photo with oversized head." This tells Nano Banana exactly what look you want. To refine results, you can add short, descriptive details like clothing colors, a simple background, or a mood such as bright studio lighting or soft pastel backdrop. Keep sentences concise and specific so the tool focuses on what matters. When you're ready, click Submit. The system will process your image and prompt, then generate the 3D-style chibi output. Give it a moment. Rendering can take a little time depending on your connection and the server load. When the results appear, review them closely. If the proportions, pose, or background aren't quite right, adjust your prompt with small, targeted edits, like slightly smaller head, hands at sides, or plain white background, and submit again. Iterating with a few quick prompt tweaks is the fastest way to dial in a look you love. That's it. You went to Google, found Gemini, opened the Create Image tool to activate Nano Banana, uploaded a reference photo, entered a clear chibi-style prompt, and submitted to generate your model. Have fun experimenting, keep your prompts crisp, and enjoy your new 3D Pixar-style chibi character.